Big Bird's Red Book by Rosanne and Jonathan Cerf. Illustrated by Michael J. Smollin. This book is going to be about things that are red, like, red things. To start off, I'm going to show you what the color red looks like. I've got something red right here in this bag. Something red, something red. That's funny. I know I put something red in here this morning. Red is a very, very beautiful color. I think you're going to like it. Just hold on a minute. I know there's something red in here somewhere. I seem to have some birdseed in here. Birdseed isn't red. Hey, none of this stuff is red. I wonder what happened. I was sure I put something red in this bag. I guess this is the wrong bag. Golly, I must have put all the red things in some other bag. Didn't I have another bag with me a few minutes ago? No, wait a minute. Maybe that was yesterday. Say, I'm really sorry. I'm afraid this book hasn't been as interesting as I had hoped. Squash! That's funny. That bag was full of tomatoes. I wonder why anyone would leave a bag full of tomatoes on this bench.